This is Drosera madagascariensis, a really beautiful and almost whimsical species of sundew from Africa. I was looking up its exact distribution for this video, and I didn't realize this, but even though it's named madagascariensis, it's found as far away as Nigeria, so you can find it all over tropical Africa. There's a lot of carnivorous plant research that hasn't been done yet in the tropical regions of Africa, so that's pretty exciting. In any case, this is a scrambling stem-forming species. So you can see the amount of stem between each leaf is pretty significant, especially when you compare it to something like Drosera capensis. That plant also forms a stem, but much more slowly than Drosera madagascariensis. So usually with this you'll get several inches of stem per year, and eventually it can't support its own weight, and in habitat it'll grow along the sides of rocks or up sticks or something. In cultivation, the stems tend to just flop over, which they did here, and then often they will die out as it gets a little bit too difficult for the plant to transport water efficiently, and then they'll sprout from the roots like these did. I've also seen them send out roots along the stem, kind of adventitious roots, to keep growing that way. It's a really lovely plant. It's a bit delicate, but it's just absolutely lovely. I tried a long time when I was just a hobbyist to get this in a trade, and luckily we've been able to sell a fair amount here at Predatory Plants. And we're starting to get flowers again, which is great because we don't have much stock from our last set of flowers left. The problem with this plant when it flowers is that the flower stalk will be about this high. So the flower stalk is 6 to 8 inches tall, as you can see here, down to the flower as it's developing, and the plant can't support that. So what usually happens is it makes a big flower, which then kind of falls over and gets into trays, and then the seed gets wet and it's all bad. So I'm going to have to stake these. This plant tries really hard, even though it can't quite support its own lifestyle. But I really love it, and it's been pretty popular, so really excited. We've got at least 3 flower stalks developing. Hopefully we'll get some more. But that's Drosera madagascariensis from tropical Africa.